I'm going to pull up here, make sure I'm tight here, and then I will go ahead and mud it over about like drywall tape. This is very important to keep your tiles from sticking out at the bottom and having to build out to them all the way up your wall, because the very bottom is pooched out in the corners. You want to make it as thin as possible. Fade it out in your mud when you apply the Kerdi Band or the Kerdi Corners. Smooth that out. Make sure there's no air bubbles under it. Just like that.